Hi, it's Darnell with Whale Oven Recipes, and today I'm going to be air frying chicken wings in the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. And let's get cooking right now. Alright, so the ingredients I have here are very simple. I've got 4 whole chicken wings from a local farmer, and I'm going to, for seasonings, I'm going to be using some freshly cracked black pepper, and I also like this cowboy seasoning here. Nothing in this video is sponsored or given to me. I just like it, and so, just letting you know what I'm working with here. And so I'm just going to go ahead and get the chicken seasoned up. You can, of course, use any seasonings of your choice that you prefer. Alright, that thing seasoned up, and for anyone wondering what cowboy butter seasoning tastes like, imagine if you've had Old Bay, a buttery, milder Old Bay, because that's how it tastes, like a buttery, milder Old Bay to me. So I'm just getting the wings all set up here in the pan with the, I'm going to be using the rack here with it. And so air fry, I'm going to set this up for air fry, 425, and I'm going to do 20 minutes. I'm going to be cooking things a little harder than 165. I like my chicken wings air fried to have a little bit of crunch to them, but you go about 15 minutes if you want that perfect 165. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start here. Actually, I need to stop the frozen setting, and then, well, now it changes to 27 minutes. Actually, I need 20. So I'm going to hit start here, let things preheat, and then we'll get the pan right in. Alright, it's time to get things in. Got it on the middle rack level and close up. I'll let it run for a while and then maybe get in there and turn things over. Alright, so things have been cooking for almost 12 minutes. I'm going to get in here and start trying to flip some things over. They may already be at the like 165 mark or so, I'm not sure, but like I said, I keep going. I want mine cooked a little harder. So I'm just going to turn them over here. I'll turn this pan around to get to the others. And you notice the time has not stopped and the fan has not stopped, and I'm on air fry. So we'll let that just continue as is, and we'll get them out in a bit. Alright, time's up. I'll get in here, see if I can get this out without burning myself. Check temperature, but I'm pretty sure it's good and hot now. Yeah, we're well over 200. Yeah, near 200. We're all good on temp. Alright, so now I'm going to get them on out, let you have a quick look. You can tell me what you think about those. Give you a closer up view. I'm going to set them aside for a moment, let them reabsorb juices, and then grab one for a taste test. So thank God for this chicken wing. And let's go ahead and do a taste of it. Bite in here. It tastes great. It does taste great. The cowboy butter, a little pepper, great seasoning mixture, and I got a nice crunch in the skin, and also the meat, it's not dried out. It's not like super moist like 165, but it's not dried out either. So it's a perfect air fry, and I usually 425, 20 minutes works out really well for me, for my personal preference. But, depending on your own personal preference, you got to do what works for you. But the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer can do the job and do it pretty well. And you see, I didn't have any smoke issues or anything. I probably had more smoke coming off the chicken after I bit into it. than in the actual cook. So turns out real nice, and the cooker performs pretty well. So now you know how to do it yourself, and you can use your own spices of your choice. And so I hope that this video did help you. And here on the Wave Oven Recipes YouTube channel, there are well over 1,000 different videos doing reviews, cooks and such, with well over 120 different types of countertop appliances. And so there's a lot more here for you to enjoy. And nothing in this video, as I said, is sponsored or given to me, so there's lots of ways to help the channel in the video description. Also, there's the hype button that you can always use to get this video out to more people, in addition to the regular share button where you can share by the method of your choice. And then there's the shop icon. You can buy this cooker or others through the shop icon. That helps give the channel a commission, but you still pay the same price. Also, there are links to a lot of different shops that you know very well, and I get a commission off of those also, referral links, and you still pay the same price. Also, you who have watched the ads, I do appreciate that. And there are other options in the video description, such as the super thanks, buy me a coffee, there's memberships, there's merch that you can get as well. Got this shirt now in multiple colors. Also, you can check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. Again, that's superwaveovenrecipes.com. And so please do give this video a thumbs up. You can subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.